how to manage current weather conditions notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage current weather conditions notifications on Google Mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here to go to settings, and then click settings, and now click this one, notifications, and then click notifications, and now click here this one, current weather conditions, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.